What a great day to spend Thanksgiving. Watching football and commercials right now. Alright, I'm gonna go eat. There's no one else in my family but my brother's sleeping right now. So, alright. It's raining out here in California today. Man. Alright, time for the best part. The uncooked turkey. I have something better than turkey. Cheese. I love cheese, so this is gonna be my Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you for everybody. You're reaching us 9 subscribers. Hopefully we get 10, because then we'll release a special. And now, time to eat the thing I'm most grateful for. Cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. Yeah.